Huwag nilang galawin yung talagang kailangan nila ng gobyerno. Yung, let me warn again, you guys in the business sector, I do not want to quarrel with you. I will protect you. I said, there will no more be shakedowns in the customs and in the BIR. I warn you again. But with all the protection that this government is giving you, you continue with the contractualization pagka-differential. And one day, I might just decide to go to you and close your store. Your ilang beses na yan. Huwag ninyong abusuhin ang tao. Kasi ang Pilipino matagal na talaga. You go to LTO just to share out money. You get a copy of his birth certificate. Sige,